Namaskar, I'm Nabish and I welcome you to Tejaswini Presents Balakala Utsavam Day 2. 14th of November was the day 1, and on the occasion of Children's Day we invited talents from all across Assam, Northeast and outside the region. We had wonderful talent performing from Mumbai as well on this virtual platform. Resuming the journey today, we shall invite few more talents from the region to unleash their potential. And as Tejaswini strongly believes and promotes wonderful talents from across the region, therefore this platform has been curated keeping in mind these wonderful genius. Well, let's begin the show. Dear viewer, it gives us a feeling of great rhapsody in welcoming onto the platform of Balakala Utsavam our guest of honor, Dr. Malika Kondoli, who is a leading exponent of Hotria. And Dr. Kondoli is an associate professor in the Department of Political Science, R.G. Borua College, Guwahati, Assam. She is also a visiting professor at the Department of Performing Arts, Dibrugarh University and Srimanta Shankardev University, Ahom. Dr. Kondoli is the director of Parampara Prava, a reputed Hotria dance institution of Assam.
Namaskar. We all know that children are our foundation, our future, our emotion. That's why every year on 14 November we observe Children's Day. On the occasion of Children's Day, Tejaswini, a reputed Bharatanatyam dance institution, going to present before you a classical dance festival which is called Balakala Utsavam, where many talented dancers will perform in this platform. My best wishes to all the upcoming talented artists, and especially Bhanu Rashmi, the director of this festival, for organizing a wonderful classical dance festival. Namaskar.
Now let us take a look at the following performance. This time, let us invite on stage three amazing talent. Danisha Saba Ahmed, who is 10 years of age and studies in class 5 from Don Bosco Panbazar, Guwahati. Her hobbies are art and crafts, and followed by Harshita Mojumdar, studies in class 3 from Faculty Senior Secondary School. Her hobbies are art and craft and aged only 9. Well, then we have Drishtisha Deori from Decent Public School from class 4. She is only 10 years of age and her hobbies include acting, dance and singing. All three students, that is Danisha Saba Ahmed, Harshita Mujumdar and Drishtisha Deori, are students of Tejaswini and their guru is none other than Bhanu Rashmi. This particular performance is really special because this particular performance has been choreographed by Kalaimamani Dr. Shrikala Bharat, based on Mandaragam and Adi Talam. Let's have a look.
ராமனை பஜித்தால் நோய்வினை தீருமே சஞ்சலம் அகன்றிடுமே ராமனை பஜித்தால் நோய்வினை தீருமே சஞ்சலம் அகன்றிடுமே சீதா ராமனை பஜித்தால் நோய்வினை தீருமே சஞ்சலம் அகன்றிடுமே சீதா ராமனை பஜித்தால் நோய்வினை தீருமே சஞ்சலம் அகன்றிடுமே வீண் சஞ்சலம் அகன்றிடுமே வீண் சஞ்சலம் அகன்றிடுமே சீதா ராமனை கண்ணால் காண்போம் என்றே பிறந்த பயன் அடைவோம் ஓம் ராமனை கண்ணால் காண்போம் என்றே பிறந்த பயன் அடைவோம் துன்பமோ ராமனை நினைப்பாருண்டோ சோதனை தீயில் புடமிடுவான் நம்மை சோதனை தீயில் புடமிடுவான் இறங்கி தூக்கி எடுத்த நந்தம் அழித்திடுவான் இறங்கி தூக்கி எடுத்த நந்தம் அழித்திடுவான் அவன் நாமாமிருதம் செவிக்குது வ்யோஷதோ ராமநாமாமிருதம் 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 செவிக்குது வ்யோஷதோ हरे राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय राम 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 हरे राम 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 सीता राम 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 जय जय 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 राम राम ने बजिता நோய்வினை தீருமே சஞ்சலம் அகன்றிடுமே வீண் சஞ்சலம் அகன்றிடுமே
Our next performance of the evening, they shall be performing Bharatanatyam, and they are students of Guru Sumir Rai Borwa, and of course they belong to Kalanjali Dance Academy. The performers are Harshita Sharma, Pratishtha Deka, Mayushi Sharma, Nishita Sharma, Jayantita Sharma, Arni Das, and Sanjali Roy.
Bye.
now let us begin the performance. The opening act to be performed by students of Jhumur Kala Kendra, and they will be performing Hotriya, and they are the students of Guru Moshami Bora. The students are who shall be performing Nadu Bhangi, Priyaki Horma, Brishti Deka, Borkharani Kolita, Tatomoni Horma, Rikushmita Horma, Tanushri Beshborwa, and Jugyasha P. Bordoloi. We welcome them on stage.
Trikita, Zidde Trikita, Ta de Tikra, Zidde Tikra, De Krak Deita. Ta de Kit, Dina Kiti Na de Kit, Dina Kiti Na de Kit. Tak deitani, tatta kiti tak deitani. Tak dei dina kiti, tak dei dina kiti, tak dei dina kita, dina kita, dina kiti. Dina dekit, dina kiti na dekit. Dina kiti na dekit, dina kiti na dekit. Na dey, triki na dey, triki na dey, na dey, na dey. Ta dekit, dina kiti na dekit, dina kiti na dekit. Down. Ta dekit, dina kiti na dekit, dina kiti na dekit. kita dher kita zin taki day Dina kiti na day kit Dina kiti na day kit Down, 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 kita dhendrik ta zin taki day Dina kiti na day kit Dina kiti na day kit kita tata dinau thei kita kitau thei kita kitau thei kita kita dei tata kita dinau dau dau kita dhendrik ta zin taki dei dina kiti na dei kit dina kiti na dei kit Kitty down, tata, dhanita kitty down, kitty down, kitty down, kitty ta kita, zinta dhina kita. Ta dhanita kitty down, kitty down, kitty down, kitty ta dhina kita, dhanita kitty down, kitty down, kitty down, kitty ta dhina kita. Kitita dhanita kita dhina nita dhanitini down rin thaki day.
And last but not the least, on the set of Tejaswini Presents Balakala Utsavam, let's have a look at this wonderful Manipuri dance to be performed by students of Shivjoy Dance Academy, and the item is Basantaras. The name of the students are Nupur Sinha, Neha Sinha, Arumita Singha, Tanushmita Singha, and their guru is Hinarani Singha. Let's have a look.
Basanta gi ahinda Sri Krishna Radha buning sing duna sarjad gile khatle khut bangsi pai duna unje lambi pangakle Basanta balay Inda ko'y musayong sayo Ko'y napay hilahihiri Manapong bermusat kata Uhung ko din naniliye Didi humbal malay Yada madal di syutujuri Basantagi al Tinda purnimagi Haninda Asyuna satla panang ang lade punjabo Asyuna satla sana biara di mata singa harau panang Mai thungani una badal Mai thungani una badal Harau re nung nai re Sira dhama Brinda Devi Shakina Matang Sari Khanduna Sandon Gayandava Avira Kasilakle Sri Radha Krishna Da Sanari Radha Shyam Gopi Singh Loinana Sanari Radha Shyam Gopi Singh Loinana Pairi Agira Khubam Thanna Sairi Pairi Agira Khubam Thanna राधा गोविन्द अनिगी सोरोन खाद गोपी सिंह सम्झै श्री राधा गोविन्द आरती कतै व्रज गोपी सिंह पामजदुन सेवा श्री राधा गोविन्द श्री रूप मञ्जुरी न सामोर चौगन्जै श्री गुण मञ्जुरी न सोरोन सेवा सम्झै श्री राधा गोविन्द अनिगी सोरोन खाद गोपी सिंह सम्झै श्री राधा गोविन्द.
And dear viewer, with this we come to the culmination of this 2-day wonderful dance festival, Balakala Utsavam, organized by Tejaswini, a socio-cultural organization of repute under the directorship of none other than acclaimed dancers Bhanu Rashmi. On behalf of Bhanu Rashmi and Tejaswini, I, Nabish Alam, would like to extend heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for your wonderful support, which is why we are able to present before you Kala Utsavam and Balakala Utsavam every season. This is only possible with your love and support. Keep sharing your blessings and feedback to us. Thank you so very much.